Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. We're filming my home binder stuffing today. I have $75 here. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. So I'm very excited to be doing this video, as I always am. Today we're going to be doing the roll the dice of my home binder, but we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. Instead of putting the numbers $5 in every envelope, we're going to be using this new scratch off that I have been saving for quite a while. This is from Hands and Bands. It's a $75 bullseye, and we have $75 here, so this is perfect. What we're going to do is roll the dice, and whatever the amount is, we'll round it up to the nearest 5 or 10 because I'm not sure what the numbers are underneath here, and then we'll use that to stuff each envelope. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And I also have some happy mail, so stay tuned. After I do the roll of the dice, we're going to open some happy mail, and I'm super excited about that. Okay. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, $75 going into our binder. So the categories, if you are new, are household, we have furniture, we have repairs, we have utilities, maintenance, renovation, and that's it. Okay, so let's roll the dice and then we'll scratch off an amount. This is my first time ever doing a scratch off and I'm super nervous about this. So I had to switch it up a bit, so let's get started. 3. Okay, so that will be repairs, which is very much needed at this time. And let me get something to scratch off with. 3. Okay, let's scratch off this one. I apologize for the camera shaking in advance. Okay, so we have the number 6. Okay, so what I'll do is I will round to the nearest 5 or 10. So I'm going to round down this time instead of up. So $5, or should I round up? We'll round down. So $5 in repairs. Okay, next, 6. Renovation. Let's choose this one here. $3. Okay, so we're gonna put a $5 in renovation. Next, 2. So that is furniture. Let's choose this one. Ooh, this is the okay, so we got a 9. So it says save double on red numbers. So this is a 9. So what we're going to do is round it up to 10 and we're going to save double that. So that's 20. So 5, 10, 15, and 20 in furniture. Okay. 6. Okay. That is renovation again. And let's see. Let's choose this one here. Ooh, a 3. Okay, so 3, we're going to put a 5 in renovation because we rounded up. All right, let's roll again. 2. Seems like we're getting just 2s and 6s today. So furniture. Ooh, another big one. 10 exactly. Okay, so $10 into furniture. Wow. Okay. Furniture's getting all the love today. Let's see. 2. Wow. We just landed on 2 and we got it again. All right, let's choose this one here. Okay, so that is a 4. So we're gonna put 5 in furniture. Okay. All right, let's shake it up. Hopefully we get a different number today. 3. All right. 3 is repairs. Let's choose this one here. All right, $5 in repairs. All right, let's roll again. 3, okay. Let's choose that one. Ooh, another red number. Okay, so 5. We'll add another 5 to that, so that's 10 in repairs, which is a good thing. Okay. 3. Oh, did we land? We're still on 3. Okay, wow. All right, let's choose this one. 8. So we're gonna round up to 10. Okay, why do I have 1 left? I don't know, but I'm out of money. So yeah, there you go, $75. I guess because we rounded, then it doesn't quite match up exactly. But let's save that for the next time and we'll go from there. It'll be our bonus. So let's go ahead and count what we have so far. So for household, we didn't get anything this time around, which is okay because last time it was the most. Now we move on to furniture, and furniture has $10 in it currently, and let's see how much it has now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Wow, $35 in furniture. And we do have our tracker here from Dee's Digital World, and I want to save about $500. So each icon will be about 50. So can we color in something? I think we will be able to soon. All right. Now we have repairs. Repairs previously had $15, and so now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Or that's how much we added to it. So it has $45, it should be. Let's see. So I just put it in the envelope. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we're making progress. Next up is utilities. Utilities did not get anything. It has $15. Maintenance did not get anything. It has $15. And last but not least, we have renovation. It got 10. And it had 35. So renovation has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 in renovation. So everything is adding up quite nicely. I'm very excited. And we'll just save this one to do the next time as a bonus. All right. Now, let's go ahead and open some Happy Mail because I have been waiting to do this for quite a while. So here it is. I only open just the box so that way we won't have to worry about addresses being shown. But this giveaway is from Funding Magita Jones. Thank you, Dawn. And I won her giveaway. She was celebrating 500 subscribers. So I won, and she allowed us to pick, I think there were 2 other winners, and she allowed us to pick something from her shop. And let me tell you, it took me a second to really think about what I wanted because everything in her shop is so beautiful. So I decided to choose, well, let me just go ahead and show you and then you'll see. Thank you. Okay, thank you for your purchase. Oh, okay, wow, summer savings. Placeholders, oh my goodness. Okay, all right, let me open this first. I gotta open this first. Wow, I love it so much. I was looking at the placeholders too, like, should I get those? $500, wow, thank you, Dawn. And then we have Summer of Savings. We have Hello Summer, Summertime, and When in Doubt, Make a Splash. Ooh, that's so cool. Now we're gonna open what I chose from her shop. Ready? Okay. So I chose the 50 mystery envelope box. It is so beautiful, isn't it? I love the Velcro as you open it. Wow, so beautiful. And so these are the envelopes. They are so beautiful. The quality is so nice. I am a plant lady, so I had to choose the leaves, but every side has a scratch off, so you can scratch off the front or the back. That's the mystery. And yeah, look at these beautiful envelopes. I am so excited, Dawn. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love purple. Look. Oh, I love these flowers. So, so beautiful. Thank you so much, Dawn.
My favorite color is purple too, and pink and rainbow.
Ooh, okay. That's Skylar, by the way. And I have Feels Like Dice. I just smashed that open. Everything is so beautifully packaged. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm just ripping it open. Ooh, wow. So pretty. Okay, look at this.
These are mega dice.
Mega dice, wow. And I love how they're just so nice and huge. And
can I feel them?
Yes, the numbers on here are just so pretty. Wow. I see these in her videos. Now I'm gonna feel like Dawn when I do my savings challenges. Ooh, 45, that's a big number. Wow. Thank you so much, Dawn. We're gonna have so much fun with these. And I can't wait to get started on the 50 mystery envelope box. And I have my placeholder and I have my summer savings. So I'm very excited to have some more challenges to do. Let's put this aside. This is Dawn's information. If you're interested, Funding Magita Jones, please check her out. Go to her YouTube channel, subscribe to her channel, and also she has an Etsy shop. It has so many beautiful things on her Etsy shop. I promise you will find something that you enjoy. So please go check her out. Subscribe to her channel. Oh, let me read it. Hello. Thank you, Faith. Congratulations on winning my 500 subby giveaway and for supporting my channel. I hope you enjoy your Mystery 50 challenge box. I can totally see you playing this with your daughter. I'm also curious to see how much it totals up to. Me too. Oh, wow. Yes. Thank you again for being part of the community and helping my channel grow. Your support means everything. Dawn. Thank you, Dawn, so, so much. I am very excited that I have some new challenges to do, and Skylar and I will have so much fun saving. Right, Skylar?
Yes.
Yes, yay! We're excited. I have to put these up so she won't find where they are. She's looking like, no, you don't. Okay, so thank you. I am so excited. Please go check Dawn out from Funny Magita Jones. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.